Endeavoring a better society, Chief Minister N. Biren vows to work for betterment right from grassroots level on 47th Statehood Day observance today. Mooting for better prospect, CPI State Secretary says it's high time to seek autonomy status of Manipur for better governance. Time for Governor to intervene. MPCC submits a memorandum to Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, pressing for a special State Assembly session to take decisions on contentious CAP 2016. Objections overruled. Police force protest rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 ensuing intense scuffles between protesters and police at Nitya Pachate. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories. Manipur today observed the 47th Statehood Day, commemorating the day when Manipur became a full-fledged state in 1972 after it merged with the Indian Union. The event was held at 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground with much fanfare. Addressing the event, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren stated that the government has launched School Pagadhansi mission with an aim to produce generations of individuals with high moral standard and discipline through proper and quality education right from the grassroots level. He stressed the need for ministers, bureaucrats and government officers to work earnestly for making the mission a success. Biren said that Manipur's great human, educational and industrial resources are yet to be channelized properly. The Chief Minister asserted that Go to Village mission was initiated to ensure that various states and central schemes and projects reach out to the beneficiaries. He expressed pride that almost all the 2,700 villages of the state were covered under the mission with the hard work of the officers concerned despite various challenges. He further assured of making the mission more successful in consultation with the respective district administrations. Efficient state nodal officers, district level and block level nodal officer of Go to Village mission were felicitated on the occasion. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren also felicitated 2nd MR Commandant P. Manjit, who played a major role in exposing the 2nd MR Arms missing case. 23 contingents comprising of state and paramilitary forces, home guards, traffic police, fire services and band platoon put a parade during the observation. Parade Commander Thaimai Gaipurul Kabui, MPS, Assistant Director of Manipur Police Training College, led the march past. Chief Minister N. Biren received the contingents with salute. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar, Council of Ministers, MLA's Chief Secretary, DGP, top civil and police officers and civilians attended the event.
Education tebisi the kuding maksi loina depend to. Ngasai ay video amawi angang amakak Delhi the light tambani habra. Ay gi ming jimana birenda koi hairi sini guy. Video the niko birenda koi hairi sini guy. Adu kumayam respect mi begi taxi ka si yaw dubisi. Farjo father so koi CM birenda koi hairi duni. Natragana sarkar da koi thamjari duni. Wahi ye si leina ko. Ano sumba light kadi khara tamuraga Mama Mapa Ahalaman Masak Kang the Machine Uncle societies. Taubalon Bevar later. Aduna Sugumbusi Koi, Carmina Sum Toko the Gay Haragadi. We should start from the grassroots, from the primary level. Nursery the Hogabe away. Yare Mamang Miron Zimasakre Parks and Toku Adomande. Lakadaba Miron define away Koi Tokse. Education Tebisi the Kuding Maxilo.
President Ramnath Kovind has greeted the people of Manipur, Meghalaya and Tripura on Statehood Day today. On this day, in 1972, all the three states became full-fledged states under the Northeastern Region Reorganization Act 1971. In a tweet, President Kovind extended his best wishes to the states for a bright and prosperous future. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also greeted people of Manipur, Meghalaya and Tripura on their statehood day. Greeting people of Manipur, Prime Minister Modi said the state is blessed with immense natural beauty and hard-working citizens, and he can never forget the affection he has got in the state. He hoped that the state will continue scaling new heights of development. Najma Heptullah has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of the 47th Statehood Day today. She wished that the day will enhance ties between various communities of the state. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit also greeted people of Manipur on the occasion of the 47th Statehood Day today. State Secretary of Communist Party of India, L. Sotin Kumar, has mooted the idea of seeking full-fledged autonomy status of Manipur. He was speaking in the 47th Statehood Day observance organized by Statehood Square Development Committee at Statehood Square, Imphal Polo Ground today. Sotin Kumar lamented that Manipur is limited in many ways to govern on its own despite being a full-fledged state of India. He pointed out that the state government is unable to take decisions freely on its own on various state issues like Indo-Myanmar border pillar controversy, Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, Manipur University, etc. Sotin Kumar opined that it is time for Manipur to seek autonomy status so that it can regulate its own land. Chairman of the committee and former Minister Laishram Jatra, Convener AC Jayanta, former Ministers A. Biren and KSH Shanta were among those present on the occasion.
Full autonomy shakti leba, full autonomy power leba, adu babung phaba, adu state ama demand to buri tangai phadabado ngasi ekoi hujik ekoi mang tarar.
Congress Party also observed the 47th Statehood Day today. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee T.N. Haukip hoisted a tricolored flag of the country during the observance held at Congress Bhavan, BT Road. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has submitted a memorandum to Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah pressing to call for a special assembly session to discuss on Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Speaking to media on the same at Congress Bhavan today, CLP leader and former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi stated that the party has always stood against the bill right from the beginning. He said AICC CWC member Gaikhangam, MPCC President T.N. Haukip and himself called for the governor and submitted a memorandum requesting for a special state assembly session considering the high possibility of passing the bill in the Rajya Sabha. Ibobi said Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah was very considerate to the sentiments of the people of the Northeast states and assured to looking into the memorandum. However, propagation imposed in the House 2 days earlier upon the request of the state government processing for a new House session will take at least 15 days. The CLP leader assured that the Congress party will stand against the bill until it is completely withdrawn.
Sujikti ngasi namit nini gi mamangda government na hayaktna government approach tawraktna House ti prolog tawre namit nini mamangda khangnaram bataragadi House once prolog tawragadi prologue tawdringai mamang dadi any time state cabinet na decision nam lauraga e hayeng hangchit se one day matam pirga notice pirga all honorable members in mayam si notice pirga any time special session ji phamba yabne ba hojikti ekhoina khangjabda once how she prologue tawragadi session nama kausi haiba tardi minimum 15 days notice piba mudarka werani da hojik.
The former Chief Minister also stated that President of All India Congress Committee strongly condemns the arrest of Kishore Chand Wangkhem Cha under NSA for criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Biren. He assured that the Congress party will stand for Kishore Chandra.
Democracy se India ki democratic system se prithvi mi khudimang na matau tamiba Bharat asi khwaidi sawa democracy satpa khwaidi gi hena success hoiba India ni haribasi masi democracy gi pillar se masi destroy tawbagi sum mathang torpasi da khoisu yamna kaino tawdi masi laibak thibani.
Various organizations under the initiative of United People Front (UPF) took out protest rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 towards Chief Minister's bungalow today. Huge confrontation occurred as police tried to foil the rally at Nityai Pachutek. The protesters earlier stated sit in at Kashampad Laimajam Laikai Community Hall before taking out the rally. Later, took out the rally chanting various slogans against the bill and BJP government. Police tried to thwart the agitators at various areas. However, the protesters overpowered the police. Due to the intense scuffles between the police and the agitators, additional CRPF personnel were rushed in to control the situation. The massive force finally scrammed the agitators till Kaishampat Laimajam Laikai. As a part of JCLP's initiative against CAB 2016, a protest meet was staged at Langtabal Puramakong Nambul Mapal Community Hall today. JCLP's convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar and co-convener Kiruddin Shah Moizing Mayum stressed on the possible threats imposed by the bill during the meet. Ibutonsana Girls Higher Secondary School Uripok extended solidarity to joint Higher Secondary School Students Union boycott of the upcoming 17th Republic Day celebration in condemnation of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Speaking to media at the school, General Secretary of the School Students Union, Delina Laishram, asserted that people of Manipur will never accept the bill. She assured that students of the school will support in all the movements against the bill. Delina also urged the government not to forsake public interests.
Joint Higher Secondary Student Union Citizenship Amendment Bill asi withdraw tawdru pawa Nawari Republic Day si ekoi Ibutonsana Girls Higher Secondary School gi oina sarugya abangam jararoi ekoi boycott jare.
General Secretary of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur, K. Bhogendra Chid, has called off the 24-hour general strike called by the committee in demand for inclusion of Maitai community in the scheduled tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Speaking to media at Ima Konthonganbi Shanglen DM College campus today, Bhogendra Chid stated that the strike, which was supposed to start this midnight, was called off as Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren has assured to hold a meeting to discuss the issue on January 30th.
January Taround the Piamol Punky Miami Mipamna Taramba Wariki Matungina, Gamena, and Trimpan Bogi Manunda, Mete still list and another recommendation. The government Tadragadi, Sigia Yingno Yadigi and Kunitogi, Yingno about 24 hours, then strike Koguni Hava, Yauna, Tete Warikoloki. Hogibatang Trimpan Kogi Committee, Mio, Kungalona, Salet Minister Warishana Rep, the Warishana Baduda, Simnisar Nama, Susi, convince her Masita Organa Kale Habu Pam de Matame, Quena Mamanga Munir Warishaki with the Sumana, Young Getogi Habiki Tazo, ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯕꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯡ 13 ꯃꯈꯥꯏꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯉꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯐꯔꯗꯔ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯇꯥꯡ 30ꯗ ꯄꯨꯡ 4 ꯃꯈꯥꯏꯗ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯦꯇꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯨꯗ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯇꯥꯡ 30ꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯒ ꯎꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯅꯗꯔ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯖꯅꯋꯥꯔꯤ 10
Maira Paibis of Kongpal, Kongkham, Laikai, Kurai, Chingangbam, Laikai, Kongpal, Chingangbam, Laikai, Tingom, Laikai, along with parents and guardians of children studying in Sacred Hearts Higher Secondary School near Porompa TV Tower staged a sit-in at Unity Club Ground near the TV Tower today. The protest meet was staged against the gun-firing incidents in the school campus by unidentified miscreants in the evening of January 15th and 17th. Speaking to media, Secretary of Kongpal Kongkham Laikai Awang Maira Lup Thongam Ranita strongly condemned the act and demanded immediate clarification. She also said many students have left the school after the incident. Ranita urged those concerned not to repeat the inhuman act again.
Tasengna hairagadi laikai dira leibe school amada sumaina nongmai kapsan basi tasengna nungaijade aki akhang pidana amuk tang natana anirak sumaina kapsan basi di tasengna hairabada laikai asibu aki akhang pibane haina haijaningi school da tamliba satra haibasi di tunggi yumburen oirakadaba satra ngaktani mama mapa amadi oja singi asa tauraga ngasi manipur gi naharol sing oiraktana yamna afaba lambe lamda pubiriba oja principal asisu tasengna habla yamna afaba school asibu sakhana bhona bada yamna Zoba Mateng Lauriba, Ozani Aduna Maram Aduna, Matunda di Sigumba Tabak Asilaikaya, Madi School da Muhanan, Kapsan Biganu, Asigi Asengba, Wakalona Dukari, Marangino Habdu Sengtupiro.
Security has beefed up ahead of Republic Day celebration in Imphal City. As a part of the security measures, Imphal West Commando, under the supervision of additional SP operation of Imphal West Police, TAs Krishna Tombi carried out cordon and search operations from Bhaigo Hotel of Waheng Laikai up to Ziri parking from 7:32 to 8:20 this morning. 663 individuals were verified and 31 individuals without proper identification proofs were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. The team also conducted combing operation from Mahabir till Ibohal Cycle in Pauna Bazaar, Polo Ground, Laima Shopping and Governor Road from 2:50 till 3:45 p.m. 546 individuals were verified and 27 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (CADA) in a press release expressed grief upon the untimely demise of eminent journalist of Manipur, Akoizam Sanaton. CADA further stated that A.K. Sanaton was not only a journalist but was an eminent social activist. Ningombam Bhupenda, AICC in charge of Northeast India for All India Fishermen Congress today, officially filed application forms to apply for Indian National Congress ticket for the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha elections 2019 from Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency. A young leader, 31 years, unmarried and single and former lecturer of philosophy at Hindu College, University of Delhi, who has been educated at St. Stephen's College, Delhi, is a resident of Khongman Zone 2 East, Imphal East. His father, Ningombam Unan, served as Deputy Director rank in the Fisheries Department, Government of Manipur, and mother, Rajkumari Sanatombi, also served in the same department as Fishery Officer. Congress President Rahul Gandhi recently advised Bhupender to work for the growth and welfare of the fishing community of the Northeast India. He served Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee as Chairperson, Social Media and Spokesperson. Agricultural Technology Management Agency, ATMA, under the Ministry of Agriculture, is playing a major role in enhancing agricultural productions and boost income of farmers in the state. A team led by Block Technology Manager of ATMA, Kangpokpi Block, Rima Hemam, today facilitated farmers of Daili village in Kangpokpi district in carrying out potato cultivation. The potatoes were cultivated using high-density planting method, also known as single-row system, over 1 hectare land area. The team also demonstrated how to cultivate maize by minimum tillage cultivation method. Speaking to media, Rima Himam stated that the high-density planting method gives better yield than traditional method. She stated that Atma has been facilitating cultivations on paddy lands post-harvest since the last 8 years. She said that there are altogether 60 Atma blocks across the state and urged interested farmers to come forward to any of the blocks to avail various facilities.
Atma gi functionary singna farmer singda ngasi pijariba impact si nong masoidana Manipur state si karigumba awon ba matang porakani haibagi thajabadu aigi saitagi thamjari punja mayam sina tawriba koina taiba technology sibu moisu tamjage haija hoge haidana mayam loina lakpi bani staida moibu kauruba naina koina kaubudi na jade koigi phandi yamna pi farm school gi oina pira iba saida koina angamba level da potato seed puthoi amadi magi fertilizer changdaba yadaba sing puthoi adu plowing charge khara amaga pi aduga aremba khara mana Mahindra company na aigi ngasi tawjari ba thaba khuding maksi penjabagi dama koigi managing director oiba koigi sar balesor nasu koi mateng pangbirak pasu yaujari.
Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council ADC member Aid Kangba Thangal appealed to avail the opportunities provided by Atma instead carrying out illegal poppy plantation. He also drew the attention of the state government to take similar initiative to help farmers in the hilly areas. Farmers in the area lauded Atma for all its undertakings.
अखोई चिंगी लमदा पोपी थाबगी हैनबिसे याम तवे सरकारनसु याम थिंगी अदबो मखोइ जे हिंगनबगी सर्वाइवल गी मीन्स थिबदा थिरकपदा तौबसु ओइरम याय अदबो मसीदी लोनसु यादबा थबकने मसी तौदननबा अखोई चिंमी चिन्नावसिंगसु भाब ताबा फै अद मसी लमसु याम मांगहनबा लैहाव याम मांगहनबा अदुगा आइनगी वांगमदसु क्रिमिनल ओइबा थबक तौबा असिवने ताई अदन मसीगुम्बा मयामसे हुंदोगा आत्मान लौखलिबा असिगुम्बगी थबकसि चंगसिलगा चाइ सुसिंगसिजो अचुम्बा लंबियनदा सेन ताम याबा असिगुम्बा माहि मरोंग थाबगी थबकसिदा चंगसिन बियो
आत्मा खुइसिना लारागा अखिबो सेमिनार पिए अदुगा मतम गे टेक्नोलॉजी अनोवा गे सिस्टम सो तामपिए अदुगा नसी आलू थाबा गे टेक्नोलॉजी सिस्टम अनोवा अमा पुबिरे अतोपा डिपार्टमेंट नसो अखिगुंदा हेल्प ताबा याबा लेरिदी अदुसो तौबियो विंटर सीजन दा थाबगी सिट कुंबा लाइतेबगो अदुगा अखुना अदुगुंबा लाइतेबगी अखुसी थाबा ngamdeba ama oina laibni.
On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on students of NIT Langol warning to agitate along with AISF in demand for better infrastructure. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Students from outside Manipur who visited NIT Langol after checking master plans displayed in the website of the institute left disheartened. Students of the institute expressed remorse over the situation and demanded a well-equipped campus or to shift the campus in another institute. Speaking to media, one student protester, Dewal Chaturvedi, said the master proposed plan displayed in the website of the institute and the current situation of the campus is really excruciating. He expressed disappointment at the deplorable condition of the classroom, library, laboratory, hostel, mess and other facilities of the institute ignored by the relevant authorities. He further complained that the library of the institute can accommodate only 20 students at a time and there are limited books. One protester, Maiba Anash, stated that the institute, which was once ranked 15th in the country, has come down to 28th rank. Anas warned of various agitations along with All India Student Federation AISF until adequate facilities were provided in the institute. A lady student protester, Arpita Gupta, stated that boys and girls hostel are located in the same campus for NITs in other states. However, for NIT Langol, the girls' hostel is located at Government Polytechnic in Takil. She expressed disappointment that traveling from the hostel to the campus consumes lot of time, not to forget the poor quality of the hostel.
Means exam, and everyone here is deserving the proper NIT campus that every of the NIT has now these days. But coming to NIT Manipur, we just seen the master plan that we have seen on the website, the pictures of the building of the Takel campus. Everything that we have seen is just disappointing because the website is not up to date. It is not updated at all. The thing we see here is really very disappointing. It is not what we just saw before coming here. Secondly, the administration here really doesn't give anything to what we say. There are several strikes done here, but no one listens. The hostels, we are living 7 people in a single room from last 6 months. Initially, when we came after the JOSA counseling, we were 22 people living in a single room.
NIT Professor Hayum Sulate, Assistant Professor na hostel gi facilities adegi akhona fees thigriba asi chega akhoida fangiba facilities singa yamna khetnarakpa akhoigi NIT Manipur je rank 15 da leramane project 28 handagre aduna placement sumlak laktre.
Manipur Police follower male 2016 batch due detention of the government to provide jobs to the 55 candidates on the waiting list of the batch declared on May 17th last year. Speaking to media at Toyota Line Study Center, Kaishampat Sega Road, General Secretary of Waiting List Candidates of Manipur Police follower male 2016 batch, Haigrujam Sudhir stated that the association submitted memorandum with the demand to the Chief Minister twice. He mentioned that a BJP-led state government had already considered candidates of Manipur Police Constable Male 2016 waiting list batch and candidates on waiting list of other departments and provided jobs to them.
Makoida upi kiba minusi adu akoida su bibiduna waiting list candidate of Manipur Police flower male 2016 batch candidate asigu su pukhapiu candidate sing asigi manungda thak amuk hanna changnaba honabada sahi henba mio sing su yaure laibak thiraba candidate akoibu mio bigi minusi yengbiduna athu matamda lokhapiu haina Chief Minister gi puning singchinjari kai khomnajariba Chief Minister Sri N Biren singana luchingba BJP lengang matam gi torpa thabak horong kya dasu waiting list candidate singna chogachagani loina na tam sangna panbok oibiyo.
Acting on the recent media circulation, the relevant department has visited Khaidem Dineshwari, a disabled person from Sugnu Awang Laikai, who has been deprived of various government welfare schemes until today. The team comprising of CMO Thoubal and Kakching districts, Dr. N. Jentakumar Waikong, SDO L. Bobi, Extension Officer of Thoubal District Social Welfare Officer Sheram Asha, and Social Worker Thauchom Sarachandra under the strict instruction of Chief Minister N. Biren visited Dineshwari and gave her disability certificate after medical examination. Dr. Jentakumar declared Dineshwari 82% disabled and affirmed that she can avail various welfare benefits for disabled persons under the Social Welfare Department and Chief Minister Gi Sotharabasingi Tengbang scheme. Seram Asha said Dineshwari will be provided 1,500 rupees monthly stipend under CMHT and free transportation in government vehicles.
अखोई अवेयरनेस वालंबगुंबा दुम ओरंबे याय अखोई असासिंगना अखोई गो टू विलेज द मसिगुंबसे अखोई पुथोकपिरो असासिंग ददि हाइजबने लेकाई लेकाई की क्लब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंगना नत्रगा अखोई असासिंग अंगलवादी वर्कर्स सिंग अदगी पुनमगना सुंबा सिंगसे अखोई लेकाई की अखंगबा सिंगना डिसेबल ओरबा सिंगसे मतुंगदसु मीडियाना पुथोकपिरै इसुमाइना पुथोकपिरनपा अमुका हन्ना मीडिया इथोंगदा आई
Free travel and concession haina haziki Chief Minister gi Sotharabasingi Tengbang se mase umbrella scheme ne haitare magi makhada haziki caregiver allowance haibada ne mana 1,500 phangdoisina aduga free travel and concession haina amalai masidana khoi gi maje chathok chasin khoi gi state government na own tawba vehicle di oigadabo ko aduda chatpa kanda mase bhara se free oigani ko.
One-day training program on early identification and intervention for children with disabilities was organized at Manipur Press Club today. However, the program, jointly organized by National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Divyanghan NIEPID, Secunderabad State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities and Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur was extremely delayed due to late arrivals of relevant officials. Speaking to Impact News, Secretary of the Relief Center, Chakram Lokeshwari, despite that the government and the relevant authority merely announce welfare programs for disabled persons but never them put into actions. Lokeshwari intimated that officials and staffs of the relevant departments failed to turn up for the event scheduled for 10:30 a.m. even by around 12:30 p.m. She strongly condemns such impunctuality even after organizing the event in consultation with top officials of the departments concerned.
Khoi ngasi program je khoi gi tarap ta gi department ku timok ta che chang tha ba ko ba to ya ba makhai di loin tau kre ba aduga moi department ma ke di pau je kamai to bun hang de mon thawa sa bi da bai ra khang de khoi ngasi program thilli je mi su kaya yorak tre abdi khoi gi to bam to ko di loin tau kre moi mai ke de gi soi ba hai gadra aduna ngasi program je kitang di abdi pendre ismana sinja ba je sarkari ma ke de gi chu kitang thawa yaw bi ra ga di nuai ta ba phau ri je phau roi hana khale tang thawa yaw haning khoi hendi ke person sing na sinja ba ko cha ba je sarkar gi ma ke de government ma ke de gi masida ngasi na ngasi oi gre duga matung da mayam ma khoi silakhini tung da ju khoi gi sidai je sarkar gi ma ke de gi ngasi thoi usmaina thok ta na ba mating pang bi ba kumiding chang bi ba chang bi ra kan hai na sa tok je chang bi ro o na hajari khoi gi ngasi
One-day district-level seminar on the theme Capacity Building and Modernization of Cooperative was held at the conference hall of Moray Hill Tribal Council today. Manipur State Cooperative Union organized the seminar sponsored by National Cooperative Union of India, New Delhi. Speaking on the occasion, President of Manipur State Cooperative Union, L. Tompishak said the seminar aimed to modernize cooperative societies in Moray town. A discussion meet on business-related issues for cooperative societies in Moray and common business community was also held on the occasion. State Tourism Corporation Chairman Dr. Rajan flagged off a women-exclusive car rally on the theme Women Empowerment and Women Crossing the Border from Classic Hotel today. Additional SP Kate Robinson, SDPO Sandip Gopal Das and OC of Moray Police Station Letkohau Wi-Fi flagged the car rally at Moray. After necessary documentation at ICP Moray, the 2,800-kilometer-long car rally set out to cover 3 countries of India, Myanmar and Thailand left from Myanmar. 16 women from across the country are taking part in the rally. Kanglai Park, Loinasilol upon Marup Clam in a press release informed that Samurai Latpam Santibala's short story book entitled Mingsel Na Kaikrabada will be conferred the Binyal Laishang Them Somananda Loinasilo Memorial Award 2019. The award ceremony will be held during the 17th Foundation Day celebration of Clam at Kombirai Garden on February 9th. Thaubal MLA K. Megachandra led in repairing 200-meter stretch of land area at Haukha Mamanglaika affected by erosion of Thaubal riverbank. The repair was carried out jointly by the Water Resource Department and the local residents. Speaking to media, MLA K. Megachandra stressed the need to repair the area before the onset of monsoons. He urged the government to expedite the work. Zeliarong community continues celebrating Gangai festival with much joy and zeal. Social worker Dr. S. Manauton presented gifts to villages of Hyangthang Kabuikul on the 4th day of Gangai festival today. People belonging to various communities from Nauria Pakang Lakpa constituency attended the gift presentation ceremony held at Pakang Pan of the village. Speaking to media, Dr. S. Manauton wished that the festival will herald peace and prosperity among various communities of the state.
amadi Manipur lai bamiyoi kamu pun maksya winter habis na pagaloy na akan ngai ba punsi mo ere seno Manipur lai bamiyam pun maki wakal da matasa dari batang dulu ita na juga miyam pun si ko kita na ai ipa na imana ahalla pun mama yan ngai punsi mo oi na yan takut pa mo ere seno
Sanamahi Pakhang Balaining Lub Kodompokpi Mamang Laikai held its Silver Jubilee celebration at Kodompokpi Mamang Laikai Community Hall today. President of Meitei National Front, Ziribam Hamom Dhani narrated various folklores of Meitei community on the occasion. Rifleman of 2nd Manipur Rifles Manipur Police Imphal Moirangthim Ajoy alias Da Nauba was conferred with Jai Hind Humanity Award by AR Foundation. The award function was held at Rafi Mark, New Delhi on January 20th. M. Joy, a single father of 2 kids, is not only a rifleman but also a photographer. Kanglai Park Loina Silol Apun Marub Clam in a press release informed that Samurai Latpam Shantibala's short story book entitled Mingsel Nakai Krabada will be conferred to Binyale Shangtem Soma Nanda Loina Silol Memorial Award 2019. The award ceremony will be held during the 17th Foundation Day celebration of Glam at Kombire Garden on February 9th. General Manager of NABARD Manipur, PN Praveen Kumar, inaugurated a newly constructed market shade at Khabam Bamdia today. The market shade, worth around 11 lakhs rupees, sponsored by NABARD, was constructed by Self-Employment Voluntary Association Seva Imphal West with an aim to economically empower villages. Over 30 volunteers donated blood at a voluntary blood donation camp held at Mayai Laikai Primary School in Hairok, Part 2 today. Ningol Club, Hairok Part 2 organized a camp in collaboration with Lifesavers Manipur, NSS, BM College, NHM Manipur, MAGS and Janim's Blood Bank and Transfusion Council. And now the sports news. Argentina polo team bagged the championship title of the 4th Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament. In the final match played today at Imphal Polo Ground, Argentina polo team defeated USA polo team in 9-7. Players of winning team, Catalina Ayerza scored 3 goals, Elena Brown scored 2 goals and Fina scored 1 goal, while players of the losing team, Anna Wilson scored 4 goals and Stephen Messi scored 2 goals. The team resulted in a draw in their given time. In penalty shootout, Argentina scored 3 goals and USA scored 1 more goal. Argentina polo team was felicitated with a trophy, citation certificate and cash award of 60,000 rupees, while the runners-up team, USA, was given a trophy, citation certificate and cash award of 40,000 rupees. 6 teams, namely Argentina, USA, Canada, Kenya, India Polo Association team and India Manipur Polo team participated in the polo tournament held under the aegis of All Manipur Polo Association. Amka and Afimpa resulted in the 1-1 draw in the first match of Afimpa Cup 2019 today. In the second match, Amek A and MSET resulted in a goalless draw, while in a third match, Cine Editor Guild defeated defending champion Amek B 2-1, and in the fourth match, Cine Actor FC thrashed Amek C 5-0. All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association, Afimpa, organized the annual football tournament on the theme No to Drug, Yes to Life, participated by individuals in Manipur film industry. '81 Foundation and Football Solution and Taubul Youth Development Association jointly kicked off 6-month football coaching Young Legend League at TYDA ground, Taubuk today. Young footballers within the age of 6, 8 and 10 years will be trained during the coaching camp. Former Indian footballer as Dharamjit Bale Veteran footballer and hockey Olympian Tej Anuradha attended the launching event. 240 footballers from across the state will attend the first of its kind football coaching camp of India. Wangoy FC bagged the championship title of the first state-level late Thaunaucham Mangol Nganbi Memorial 7A side Village Open football tournament. In the final match played yesterday, Wangoy FC beat Pukrambam FC 1-0. 20 teams from across the state competed in the tournament organized by Pukrambam Athletic Club at the club's ground since December 28. Handicapped Development Foundation in a press release informed that Manipur's team of Visually Impaired Sports Association left Imphal today to take part in the third Northeast Blind Football Tournament organized by Indian Blind Football Federation to be held at Shillong from January 23rd till 26th. And before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Endeavoring a better society, Chief Minister N. Biren vows to work for betterment right from grassroots level on 47th Statehood Day observance today. Mooting for better prospects, CPI State Secretary says it's high time to seek autonomy status of Manipur for better governance. Time for Governor to intervene. MPCC submits a memorandum to Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah pressing for a special State Assembly session to take decision on contentious CAP 2016. Objections overruled. Police foils protest rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, ensuing intense scuffles between protesters and police at Nitya Pachute. And sports of the Kings, Argentina beat USA 9-7 in the final match of Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament.